Hello everyone, I am Dharma Raj Lama and welcome to my YouTube channel Hyaanglaa Design. Today I will teach you how to use variable in Adobe Illustrator to automate creating multiple versions of a design. For this tutorial, I am using a certificate design for VS Niketan Secondary School that I created on Om Kargi Media. Please note, this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended for the misuse of certificate design. I am here to show you how to automate and speed up your workflow. Before we begin, we'll need two things: your design and a CSV file. The CSV file will help you create multiple versions of your design. In the next video, I will show you how to create and use a CSV file. Let's get started in Adobe Illustrator, where I have already opened the certificate design. First, click on the variable panel and select Import. Find your CSV file, select it, and click Open. Now, choose the text or images that you want to use for the different version of your design. In this case, we are using only text. Next, go to the variable panel, select a data source, and click the Make Text Dynamic button. You'll now see all your data. Now, we are ready to export the data for print. I'm using a customized actions in this video, which may not be available on your system. I will create another video to show you how to set up an action in Illustrator. Open the action panel, click on the icon to choose Batch. Select the folder where you want to save your exported design. Then press OK. Illustrator will now process and save your design versions. The time it takes will depend on your computer performance. On the left side, Illustrator is saving the file, while on the right side, you can see them being stored in the selected folder. Once the task is complete, go to the Save folder, select All File, right-click, click Combine File in Acrobats, and then click Combine. Now, you can view all the design version in single PDF ready for printing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more about my design process